At Audi, progress through technology, Vorsprung durch Technik, has always defined who we are. Today, progress means transforming how we build cars. As we accelerate toward a fully electric future, we needed a smarter, more sustainable way to produce vehicles.
In production, precision and safety is everything. Our programmable logic controllers manage the sequence of robotic movements down to the finest detail and enforce safety. We wanted to take a bold step, move the capability to control processes from dedicated hardware on the factory floor into a virtualized environment with edge cloud for production. Virtualization gives us flexibility and efficiency, but it also raises the bar. Security and determinism must remain uncompromised, and safety has to be guaranteed at all times.
Together, we've proven that virtualizing control is not only possible, but reliable. By Cisco working as one coherent solution, uniting networking, security, and observability, we had a foundation that gives us the speed our processes demand, protection our PLCs require, and the visibility to manage everything with confidence.
Even where milliseconds make all the difference, the first virtualized controllers ran smoothly from the start, with security built in from day one. It's an exciting first step towards a software-driven factory. The past months proved that our innovative concept can deliver the same reliability and the same protection as traditional approaches, without any compromise.
Every step we take to make our factory smarter and more secure brings us closer to our vision of the production of the future. And with Cisco as a trusted partner, we are confident to get there.